Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to email Evernote. Let's begin. Evernote's email forwarding is a feature available to premium, personal, professional, and Teams subscribers. All right. For example, you have been working with a specific notes here and you wanted to forward this to someone else or to your client or to your team members. All I have to do is you see this three icon here. I want you to click on it. Click the copy note link. All right. And then once it's copied, all right, go again to the three dots section. Click the share note, wherein you can basically forward this note that you are working. You can enter the name of email of the people that you wanted to, for example, in this case, I'm going to forward it to our client. And then here you can put in the access level if you want. For example, if you don't want them to kind of like edit and do something about it, just view this link, click the share button. All right. And then copy that link. So you have all these. All right. Once you've done that, you should be able to forward it to all the people. All right. And then the next thing that you can do is go here at the top left corner when you can see your profile icon. All right. Go to settings and I want you to hover to the very bottom wherein it says more settings. Click that. You should be able to see the email notes too. It is the email forwarding handy feature of Evernote. All right. This allows you to email notes directly into your Evernote account. All right. And once you've done that, you click the email notes too. I'm going to do it right now. I will then be forwarded here. All right. And then from here, you can type in the subject, for example, how to email. You can obviously send some attachments, for example, your notes. All right. And then this is going to be a handy feature. All I have to do is click the forward button and that's it. That's how you can email notes to Evernote. All right. Open your email client and create a new email to the field. Enter your email address. The subject line will become the notes title. All right. How to email note. And then attach some content. For example, this. And from here, just click the send button. All right. And then you would be forwarded to the same section earlier. All right. It's a handy feature that gives you the leverage to utilize the Evernote's email forwarding feature. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.